Hey folks, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your PC. This is for messing around really, offline. The easiest way to do it, the fastest way to do it I think is just to get a hold of a WAMP server and obviously the WordPress installation files. I've downloaded both of these already, but you can get them here. I'll just show you. You just type in WAMP server into Google and there we go, as a download page. It's a French website, but this is it'll pick up the English downloads, so there we go. And it's a 32-bit version and a 64-bit version, so just choose whatever version you need for whatever your operating system is. And there you go, that's what it comes with: Apache, PHP, MySQL, and some other little bits and bobs, which are quite handy. Okay, so you download that and you would get that on your desktop or wherever it goes to, wherever you download to. Go into the WordPress website and you'll see here there's download, so I've already downloaded this, so there you go. Okay, first thing, install WAMP server. Just double click on it, just run through this, press next, I accept, next, and there's a default installation. I just leave that the way it is, so it's going to install on your C drive, WAMP. Okay, I create a desktop icon as well. Next, install. Installs quite quickly. It's not particularly big a file. Okay, it detects Firefox, so I'm quite happy to use that as my default browser with WAMP server. Say yes. I just see next on this as well, doesn't really matter. I'm just doing this all offline anyway. And we can just launch. Okay, you'll get an icon up in the bottom right. Okay, so that's WAMP server installed, and what we need to do is extract the WordPress files into the correct directory. So the directory we want to actually put it in is a www directory in WAMP, so just right click on it and extract files, go to your C drive, and then go to WAMP, and then you will see there's a www folder there, so we're extracting to that folder. Hit OK. And that's it extracted. We'll just check, make sure it's okay. So on your C drive, WAMP, www, and there we go. There's a WordPress folder with all the files inside it we need. So just minimise that at the moment. And what we need to do is create a database. Just press that, click that once, and we'll get this little page up here. Go into PHP MyAdmin. From here we can just create a database straight away. So just call it, you can call it anything you want. Just database 1, that'll do me. Just hit create, and that's been created. Left click on the database on the left hand side here. You can go and create tables, etc. Privileges. What you can do, you can add a user in here as well if you want. I just go with the root localhost. What you want to do for root localhost is edit the privileges so we can actually create a password, because we need to enter this into one of the files in WordPress. So click on edit there and go down to the change password box here. Just put in any password you want and go down to click go, and that's done. Passwords for root at localhost was changed successfully, so that's fine. Just minimise this, and what we want to do is go back into the WordPress folder here. This is the one we extracted earlier. Go inside it, and file we want to look for is wp-config sample, because what we're going to do is we're going to modify this file and save it as wp-config.php. So just right click on it, and you can just open it with like Notepad. That's fine. Okay, just maximize this bit here. So the things we're interested in putting in here are defining the database name, the user, and the password. So all we need to do is here is just click in here and delete what's here, and it's database 1 was what we call the database. So that's done. So then click down to the next one. Username is going to be root, and the password I used was Scotland. There we go. So it's just those three things there, and what you want to do is save this as wp-config.php. so just click in there in the name, just come back a little bit, okay, and just save it in this directory, the same directory we were just in a minute ago. Okay, and close this. I will just minimise this for the moment. Okay, we want to get a new tab up here so we can actually go in and connect to the site. So just take this out, and what you'll be putting in is http://localhost/Wordpress. Okay, if you've done anything wrong, you'll probably get errors up here, and this page will not come up. But if this page comes up, then you've done everything right so far. So site name, just call it anything you want. Call it crazycars.com. Username's admin. Put in a password. Okay, this doesn't matter. Just anything you want. But you keep it in a format like that, so because it will reject it if you don't. Just untick that and install. This takes about 20 seconds or something. Okay, that's us. So success has been installed, and let's just go and log in. Click on login, and just put in the username and password you just created a minute ago. There we go, and click login. That's us. This is the first screen you come to. This is the dashboard within WordPress. I'll put a few more videos up and show you how you can sort of start to edit this as well. Okay, cheers.